Mr. Jikur Mata, please.
Mr. Chairman, sir, through this August House, sir, I would like to urge our Chief Minister and Minister in charge PWD road. There is two major roads in my constituency, sir, Nongstoin Mawet and Rengdo Hahim. It's fall under my constituency. This route is long pending, sir. Existed since the year 1964. During the time of the then Assam government. Since then, this route has been the lifeline of 56 villages. They totally depend on this route. This route is being used for transportation of coal, broomstick, ginger, timber, etc. to many markets and towns in our state and also to our neighboring state of Assam. As such, the revenue collection through this route is more than 100 crore annually only from coal royalty. Despite its huge revenue contribution to the state, this road has been left unattended till now. Recently, sir, program has been announced on 29 January for laying of foundation stone for this road. However, it was cancelled. Therefore, Mr. Chairman, sir, I would like to request our Honorable Minister in charge PWD Road and Chief Minister in charge Finance to enlighten to the people of the Mawet area why it was cancelled and when it will be done. My people would like to know as they are still in the dark about this project. Sir, since 2003, coal mining started up to 2014. Then the NGT has been imposed ban. The revenue collection 11 years from this Nongstoin Mawet area. Around 1100 crores has been collected revenue from this area. But despite its huge revenue contribute to the state, this route has been unattended till now. Therefore, Mr. Speaker, sir, Mr. Chairman, sir, I do believe that this government will fulfill the expectation of the people of my constituency. On behalf of the people of my constituency, I would like to thank the government of the day for sanctioning 100 crore below to the Rengdu Hahim road. It is a biggest blessing to my people. Thank you, Mr. Chairman sir, for giving me this valuable time. With this few words, I resume my seat.
Thank you.
Noted that point. So Mr. Jigur has mentioned about the Nongstoin to Mauet Road. So this is already on the cards, and it must have been for some practical or like programs clash that the 29th program was cancelled. But shortly, sir, after this session, we will ensure that we go ahead, and I can assure the people of Mawsynrut Constitute and Mawsynrut Constituency and Nongstoin Constituency that this road will be made. This road, we have already sanctioned the funds for it. We were not able to go that day for the foundation stone laying for some other emergency programs that come up, but we will be going shortly along with Honorable Deputy CM to ensure that we lay the foundation stone for this road, and we will also ensure that this road is completed on time. So I want to give you that assurance.